Hey guys, good evening. Engineer Pat 5290 just coming to you with the news that everybody is probably aware of at this point that Hurricane Ian has really left some effects down there in Florida. The destruction that I have seen in the news has just been so catastrophic. It's something you can't describe. You really just have to see it to understand it. The damages are really bad. Uh, Even the flooding is bad. It's a really sad time right now for this country as well as the state of Florida. So when you say your prayers tonight, guys, please, please, please pray for Florida for the Florida residents as they begin the cleanup process once the storm safely passes. Uh, it's just unrecognizable uh, for what's happened. It's a really sad moment for all of us, really. Even if you don't live in Florida, I mean, it's a really really sad time for those people down there. Uh, they got a lot of work ahead of them. So when you say your thoughts and prayers tonight, please say them for the people in Florida. I'd like to uh, just want to go ahead and say that real quick. It's a really sad time for Florida, uh, so please keep them in your prayers. So just wanted to give that little announcement out there to please send your prayers down to Florida. Thank you guys so much for sending them out there, and we'll catch you on the next time. Peace.